Alrighty then. So today we are going to make Big Mac sliders on the Blackstone today. It's burger time. So we're gonna make Big Mac sliders, but we're gonna make healthy Big Mac sliders. So I have here some lean ground beef, and then I didn't get any sliced cheese because I'm an idiot, but same concept applies, but we're gonna use mozzarella cheese today. You can also use Swiss cheese. If you use white cheddar, that's a good one too. We're gonna work with what we got, and the idea is there, and it's the thought that counts, and I don't wanna hear it. So, first thing we need to do is we need to make our mac sauce. So let's make our mac sauce. First you need a 1/4 cup of olive oil mayo, a teaspoon of yellow mustard, a teaspoon of ketchup, a teaspoon of W sauce, about a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of paprika, a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and a tablespoon of sweet relish. Try and use the sugar-free if you can. I didn't have any. This works just fine too. It also helps that we're using no sugar added ketchup, so that also helps as well. Give that a mix. Bam, mac sauce. So let's set him off to the side. Next, let's form our burger patties. I want to do 2-ounce burger patties. They're sliders, so they need to be smaller, and they'll cook incredibly fast, and it'll just be easier to work with, and you can get more out of it. Okay, burger patties. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We got 7 of these bad puppies. I did a little bit over 2, just because when they shrink, we'll at least have close to 2-ounce patties. So I did like 2.3, but out to the Blackstone. Alright, so now that we have our burgers done and our buns done, I'm going to fine dice, and when I say fine dice, I mean like mince it till it can't be minced no more. Because I don't need massive chunks of onion on here. And add some love to it, okay? And just, like I said, like super, super, super fine. Like little flavor nuggets. Kind of like what White Castle does. But way fresher. Alright, got that done into a bowl. Let's assemble some sliders. Alright, let's assemble some burger sliders. So I have my buns, and we're gonna add our sauce first. Just a little bit on the bottom. I think I'm just gonna do 1 patty because these didn't get smashed all the way, but that's okay. That's okay. That just means I can eat more of them. It's fine. So next, some onion. Okay, then some shredded lettuce. It's kind of methy, but that's okay. It kind of lives true to the whole Big Mac experience, because every time I've opened up a box from a Big Mac, there's, I think, just lettuce everywhere. So it resembles quite nicely. And then, obviously, more sauce. And there you have it. Let's try them out. All right. Oh, this is going to be methy and delicious. Cheers. Yes, that is probably one of the best sliders I have made in a long time. Aside from the smoked sliders, which were pretty solid back in the day, but this, this is literally a mini Big Mac. This is so good. Yeah, I think I'll be making this a lot this summer. So good. Well, guys, there you have it. Healthy Big Mac sliders on the Blackstone. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did and you're new, make sure you hit that sub button, throw a comment down below, tell me what you guys think, and as always, peace out, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!